Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinne. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful smoky purpley look. Purple so happens to be my favorite color, so I just had to do this. I really love the way it came out. Now before we get started guys, please don't forget to subscribe down below. The subscription button is just down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It will really help my channel. Thanks for the support so far guys. Thank you. So if you're interested in seeing how to get this look, please keep watching. Okay, I'll start off by moisturizing my lip, and I'm using the Vaseline lip therapy for this. We don't want any dry lips guys. Then I'm going to do my brows using the Beauty Line by Didi pencil, but I'll do my brows off camera. And I'm concealing using my Blackup concealer. Next, I go into my P.Louise base, eyeshadow base, and I'll just put that on my eyelid, and I'll take a little bit and put that on my bottom lash area because I'm going to put in eyeshadow in that area. So a little goes a long way, so you don't need very much, you just need very little. So I'll just make sure everything is well blended out, and I'll take the whatever is left on the brush, that's what I'll use on my bottom lash area. Yeah. So for this look, I'll be using just one eyeshadow palette to create this look, and that's the colored Raine Queen of Heart palette. A couple of people said I should do a look using just one eyeshadow palette because I keep using multiple, so I'm going to be using just one for this look. And I'll start off with the purple shade there called Ladyship. So I would pack that onto my crease area and my outer corners using the Morphe 433 brush. I'll just pack that onto my outer corners and my crease area. I'm not blending anything yet. I'm just packing it on to those areas first because I want the colors to be really intense. So I'll pack it on first before I blend. Just pack that on. At this point, I'm starting to blend just a little bit, still using that same brush. So I keep taking it to my inner corners at this point, but just on my crease area. So once I'm satisfied with the intensity of that color, I take my Morphe M533 brush and I pick up a little bit of that shade, that same purple shade, just because I want to have a little bit of eyeshadow on the brush, and then I start to blend it upwards. I start to blend that I start to blend out any harsh lines. So I'm blending upwards with soft motions. Very softly, I'm just blending it upwards. Now I keep going back to the Morphe 433 brush, and I keep adding more colors to my crease area. and then I go back in with the 533 brush and blend out any harsh lines, because most times when you're blending out, the intensity of your colors tends to reduce. So I keep going back in with the Morphe 433 brush to just make sure I still maintain that same intense purple on my crease area. Next, I take my concealer brush and my P.Louise base and just clean up the eyelid area. I'm just doing a little bit of a cut crease here. So I'm cleaning up that lid area and also creating my cut crease. Then I go in with my blending brush and just blend out that P.Louise base so that it's not chunky and I don't have any lines. So next, I'll use my small eyeshadow brush from Blackup, and I'll go into the shade Royal Highness. I'll just pack this on to my lid. So I'll just pack that on my eyelid. Now guys, you don't have to use the exact palette that I use. Any palette you have would work for this look, as long as you have similar colors. When you're recreating this look, it doesn't have to be the same exact palette I used. So I'll just pack on that shade onto my lid. This is very simple, guys. Very, very simple. So once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I go into that purple shade and my Morphe 433 brush, and I'll just pack this on the outer corners, just on the outer corners. I'll pack that shade there, then I'll blend it inwards a little bit. Inwards to my crease, just a little bit. Yeah. And I just make sure I blend out all the hash lines till everything is, till I'm satisfied with how it looks, till I'm sure I don't see any hash lines. Then I take a flat soft brush, go into that purple shade again called Ladyship, my Ladyship, right? And I'll just smudge that on my bottom lash area. Now I wasn't really completely satisfied with the way that brush was applying it. I it wasn't as intense as I wanted it to be. So I went into my I took my Morphe E36 brush and started packing that shade on. After that, I would go in with my Glam Girl navy blue liquid eyeliner. And I like my liner to be really thin. I don't like it to look really fat, so I like it to look really thin. And I'll just extend it out a little bit just to give me that wing liner. Just a little bit, not so much. And then I use my Lancôme kohl pencil, black kohl pencil, on my waterline. It looks really, the eyes came out really beautifully. Looks really pretty. At this point, you could just, if you don't really wear falsies, or you're not really comfortable with applying falsies yourself, you could just use your mascara and, you know. But I like false lashes. I think they complete your look. They take it to a whole other level. So I'm applying my false lashes. These lashes are beautiful. I'll leave a link in the description box, a link to where you can get the lashes. They are really beautiful, and you can reuse them as long as you keep them properly. After each use, you can use them for as much as you can use them up to 25 times, as long as you keep them properly after each use. Now I'm happy with the way it looks, so I'm just going to go off camera and complete the rest of my face. I really love the way this looks. Now guys, if there is anything you don't understand, or if there is anything you want me to do, please leave a comment in the comment section. I would really love to know what you guys want. I'm priming my face before my foundation, so I really want to know what you guys want. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, I have a video with my full foundation routine. I'll link that in the description box. This is the finished look, guys. I really love the way it came out. Please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like. Until my next video. Bye, guys.